Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on this laptop. First of all, you have to click these three icons on your status bar. Then to turn on your laptop, click this icon so it turns the blue color, then click the arrow icon next to it, and you're gonna see the list of available networks that you can connect to. Select the network that you need, and then if you want to connect to it automatically, hit this checkbox next to connect automatically feature, and then click connect. And if you have to, then enter the security key to this network and press enter, and once you do that, you will be connected with the Wi-Fi. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.